Hello friends, welcome back to the channel and this is day 10 of English speaking challenge. So friends, today I have no words in my mind what I will share you. No things are coming in my mind. So in first of all I want to say that please like this video, share the video and also press the bell icon and share with your friends. So friends, today I have nothing in my mind to explain with you, to share with you. So I want to share about the NRC forms because I have nothing to share with you today's in my mind. So friends, as you all know, in our country, we are the NRC, the NRC agenda rise before some years ago. I think 2 years ago. So friends, in that purpose, the some forms are filling up and the who is Muslim persons who are able to fill that form. So friends, I want to discuss about that. So friends, I also fill the form of my family. So friends, I take that form my from our BLO which lives near my home. So I went there to take the form, and after this, I want another. I want near another BLO because he is our relatives. He knows correctly how to fill the form because there is many levels to fill the form. Every form levels are different, so that is very confusing. So I went I go near the my relatives who is also in BLO. So he told me how how we can easily fill the form, and after this I also able to fill the form, but I did mistakes in two forms, which is purely destroyed by me because of some mistakes. I I I not able to write correct name, and also the um, income, also the living certificate details. So that form was that form destroyed by me. So that is very fell that is very that is very bad feeling for me because he told me many times how to fill the form. Our relative, who is our relative BLO, he told me many times how to how to fill the form correctly, but I did mistakes, so I feel very badly. After this, I used that form whitener and did the correct after this. So friends, this is the condition of our country is so in our local area this is happened, and all the people is looking for fill the form, and government rules and try to government rules follow. So friends, I also fill the form of my family, and and give the all forms to our BLO. So friends, this is what is actually happened in last 1 month. So So I also want to share about my today's routine. Today I was very I was very busy today because I have many works to do. As you all know, I told you in in my last video that I purchased the अपना कॉलेज वेब डेवलपमेंट कोर्स and I am doing that course. So I have no extra time to do activities. So I face many difficulties to shoot the video because my mind is very it's very distractive because of the course because the course is very hard for me. So very dif- so I feel very bad. So but I will try to achieve my goal and improve myself because in this era, if you not improve yourself, push yourself, then you will not be success. So this is very important to hard work to success. Hard work is very important to get success. So friends, this is so I did many other things as like I take lunch and I went to namaz and returned from the namaz and did some rest on my bed at my bed on my bed and I think so much to to I also think to up to shoot the video to shoot the video in front of people, but this is not possible because in our locality the people will laugh you if you doing some if you doing some good things because there is a village environment and the people ashamed to speak English. So friend, I choose the place I choose the forest place to speak English because here is no one to see me. I I easily I easily shoot my video and here no one no one will come no one will come. So friends, this is our day 10 to speak English with fluently. So today I have in starting I think nothing how I can speak today because I have no story and no things to share with you. But I think I can share with you the last 1 month what happened in my village. So friends, if you also want to speak English fluently, so friends start from now because to get fluency in English, it's very important that you start to speak, and you can also learn in starting about sentences, verbs, vocabulary and pronunciation. This is the to to be perfect in English. The three pillars are most important. Number one, sentences. If you give your 5 days to to improve your sentence skill, so you can easily learn about sentences, and after this you should to try to learn, I think, verbs are very important because the verbs is where is most time uses when you speak English. After this you can focus on your vocabulary. So friends, give the if you give this if you give time to these three things, you can easily speak the English and with fluently. So friends, these three pillars is very important to speak with with fluently. If you want to improve yourself, so you should to do hard work every day, daily basis. If you do if you do some work from consistency, you easily improve yourself. So friends, this is very important to improve yourself, to push ahead to yourself and go and learn which you want to learn. I want to learn English. I want to learn how to speak English fluently. So I I every day coming here to speak English in peaceful environment and alone. So friend, I so friends, no words are coming in my mind, which in which in in which topics I speak. So friends, if you want to improve your English skills, so speak English on daily basis. This is very important because the words are always in our mind, but we are not able to speak because we not try ever speak with from our mouth. So until you not start, you can't learn how to speak fluently. So in today I will end this video here because I feel not good today. So friends, I will meet you in next video. Until bye bye and take care.